to Beautiful Mind today. If you're new here, I'm Roland Attenborough. I'm the leading GANN scientific and analytical researcher. Today we're going to be looking at the 2024 forecast for the S&P stock index, and I have made my forecast 1 year in advance, and I have a price scale. I have two different bands here. I'm going to show you the two different color meanings. So this yellow one here is the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100 year moves. The orange one is the odd cycles: 5, 7, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, and 85. So let's go take a look at my price scale and my forecast. Starting in January, I stated we would be at around the 4,600 level, and that somewhere up and around this April and into this May, we would be subsequently up around the 50 period, and that we would have a sharp pullback, and that we would have another move up to that same area or just subsequently higher, 53, which we came close to, and another violent pullback as well. Again, moving back up into the June and July period. I call for a top around 56 in the July area. It was around 54 where I put it. It was 56 here. We pulled back in August down to the 50 level. I stated that by August we would have a pullback and it could come down to 51. Well, we pulled back to 51 there. However, we rose up and had another pullback into September, and I said it would come down to about 52. Did it? No, it stayed at 54, so it was a little bit conservative. However, from there I stated it would rise up to 58 and would go as high as 6,000 by the end of the year in December and into January. And that is precisely and exactly what's happened. So this is how I've been taught how to do this by William Gann. I own all his books and courses, and I've purpose built my own natural square scientific forecasting instrument. It's a big upgrade coming to my course here, showing you how to price out the longitude of the planets and achieve these types of results. Anyways, guys, peace and love. I have my Bitcoin forecast coming up next. Have a look for that one. Peace and love to you.